So today is supposed to be day before cabin delivery day, but today is also day before a hurricane hits.
Rain still to come. We can see upwards of a foot of rain, especially as we get into portions of the foothills as well as getting into Blue Ridge Mountains.
This is the lot where the tiny home is supposed to go, and there's just so much mud, I don't even know where to start. We are getting out of town, you guys. We're going camping.
Yep.
Why do I say camping? Because our friends will be in tents and we'll be in the van.
Yeah. I mean,
That's just living.
you know, when I was a kid and sometimes I didn't have electric or water and they had, you know, whole families, we call it a trade-off.
It's a trade-off, you guys. So we're just taking the van to some woods and we're going to hang out there pretty much.
I'm kidding.
On another note.
But, yeah, try and find a spot in the woods that's not taken and fit all of us in there and light a big fire for the night.
This sounds like a good old time.
Heck yeah. Grill some steaks over the campfire.
Harry got very excited when he heard steaks. I swear. Check out that pile, you guys. We found a pretty epic parking spot. We're here with some of our friends. We are on the Cole Road. We always take you guys out there. It's just kind of somewhere, just off the beaten path, kind of in our backyard, but kind of not, technically. But we found a pretty epic spot. It's free camping here. For us, it's living because we're in the van, but for them, it's tent camping. We're gonna grill up some good food, have a good time. We'll take you guys with us. How's it going, Dusty?
How's it going, or where are we going?
How?
Well, I put a beer out of the beginning. It's cold. I think I need to drink it now. I'm tired and I haven't eaten lunch. It's probably the only way to. What's what I'm looking for here? I'm too rain delirious right now. I need more, I think, alcohol or something because my mind's.
Okay, we're gonna get Justin something to eat. That's what we're gonna do. Genius. It's pretty smart. Wild dog attack. Oh. Stop. Oh.
Something touching my butt.
Gotta be good for the video.
Around and touch my butt. I knew it wasn't me. It was touching my butt unexpected.
Got that morning fire going.
The biggest stick. You
Take
would
a
have put it in the
crap
fire
and get a
for
stick,
us.
boy.
What are you gonna do with that?
Oh my God.
Round me.
Bring it here. Roma. It's tug of war. Don't you quit breaking an ankle.
Don't you get breaking an ankle?
On the log.
That's pretty good.
One more.
It's so rad.
I'm rad as hell. Here you go. You ready?
Poppy.
Watch out, girl.
Oh, kickflip. Good enough. Good enough.
This is how dedicated I am to skateboard, man. I'll find a spot anywhere to do it. Haven't done it in like a month and a half
Or longer.
or longer.
Later.
So now we've got to fill these in, tamp them down for all these holes. Look at that angel. Come on, chicken. Come on. And another one. Okay. 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 Checking in here from the farm. We are so close to being able to put the tiny home on her home. The lot that we wanted to put the lot that we, oh God, look how red I am. We have been digging our butts off today. Not only do you have to dig a hole for the cinder blocks, but then you've got to fill that back in and tamp it down really well. Last night we were camping, came back early this morning, the sun is out, and we are getting to work. So fingers crossed, if we do a really good job, we have enough dirt, and if we have enough gravel, we might have ourselves a livable home within the next day or two. Let's go see. It's getting real redneck out here, you guys. I'm scared. So I don't know if you guys can see, but the house is now where it is supposed to be. But now there's more to do. So no, we can't live in there tonight, but I can like go in there and show it off. You know, be a little bit more excited because we're that much closer. So now is to make sure that the piers are where they're supposed to be. So we will start leveling it out, and then hook up the electric, hook up the water. Boom, good to go. Don't judge my fingers. My gloves, turn them black. It's been a dirty day, but good day. We have a chicken stuck in the garden. Putting it on Justin. Get this chicken out.
Do the chickens have large talons? Come here, you little shit.
This is gonna be a maze. Look at him chasing this chicken.
Jump.
Fly.
Jump out.
Fly, fly away. Fall.
Oh no, it's dying. Its feelings are hurt. Right now.
He said, I missed dinner, damn it. Good luck.
Exit in the ring.
The chicken wrangler.
I'm out of breath.
If you haven't subscribed to the Floyds, what are you doing with your life? Honestly.